Alright guys, so the time has come. The tenant downstairs just moved out, and let's go see how nasty these places start off. Come on. So when we're walking through this, realize that someone just lived here 2 days ago. They lived here with no water, or no, they had water, no electric, and no heat. And they lived like that for a few years. So come check this out. So as you first come in here, thankfully for you guys, you can't smell it, but they drank a lot of alcohol and they smoked a lot of cigarettes and a lot of pets were in here. So as you're walking around, just take the visuals and then add those smells in and you'll be disgusted. But it's the exact same layout as upstairs. Another big reason I chose to go with the luxury vinyl plank flooring was because this floor right here was too bad to save, and I just wanted them both to match. So as you can see, big stains. They widened these doors to fit wheelchairs, and they left no wood floor there. So instead of trying to fix all that, it's just easier, way faster to cover it up. One more big issue down here is this mirror wall. When you rip that down, it's going to rip down a lot of the drywall and stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is just do a nice accent wall, probably shiplap or something trendy that'll be easy to cover up all the damage. So if you keep walking through here, let me turn on my light. Didn't do anything. But there's still no electricity down here, so you can't really see. But it's just absolutely disgusting. Like, look at these windows, cigarettes, and again, the smell is just ugh. And again, it's the exact same layout as upstairs, just a couple of the doors have been widened for a wheelchair. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is the second bedroom. This is covered in paneling, so all the paneling will have to be ripped down. So this will be a little bit bigger of a project than before. And back here, we have an addition, just a nice little sunroom. And then probably the craziest part of it all is they showered and used this restroom. So have a look. This will be a complete gut job. The floor, the drywall, the ceiling, everything will be ripped out. So take a look up there. Turn your head 360 or 180 into the shower. Look at that ceiling. Yeah. So this will, again, be the exact same as upstairs. We'll remove the wall, expose the brick, new drywall everywhere, new tile, and this will look brand new. So hopefully you can envision what I'm envisioning, but this will be just as nice as upstairs, and it'll take us about 30 days because we have some other projects going on to get this one done as well. So thanks, and we'll keep you updated on this project. See you.